Oh, hi everybody. So today we are cooking popcorn now. This is a pan and tea split and popcorn and the scissors to cut the popcorn back. So now let's get started now. First we need to cut it up the bag. Cut the bag up. So that's how you do it. And then get some popcorn and some corn and put it inside. So next we gotta put some popcorn inside, and then we have to close it. And then next we gotta put it on the stove and turn it on. So I will see you later when I put this on the stove. So see you guys later. So we are back, and now the popcorn is right over here cooking. We gotta put it on this over here. So, and now we wait so it pops. We gotta move it like this. So let's see. It's not happening right now. It will take a minute. It's not corn, but it will turn the popcorn soon. Okay, here the popcorn popping, and now it's almost ready. You see the popcorn right there? But pop. That's the popcorn. The popcorn is all done. Look, voila! The popcorn is all done now. Now we go to taste it. We're gonna get it to the spoon, into the plates. Let's get a spoon and this plate. Right here. Now that's it.